machine chaser here, and we're gonna do a little CNC machine practice, and we're gonna burn the board before we do a Holden logo, so we're gonna see how that comes out in the CNC and see what happens. Alright, let's see. CNC setup.
And tell it, you know, it's at this exact spot before you start. Then we're going to switch the bit out. And this is basically just a normal router right now. This isn't the upgraded one. So eventually, if we want to cut like steel and stuff like that, we'll have to upgrade it.
Crazy. I really like that chain kind of setup.
Yeah.
It's pretty neat.
Somebody a whole lot smarter than me. Alright, so now there's easier ways to do this, but this is the most accurate. So what we do is we put this on there, which basically going to send a current through it. As when this touches, it goes red. So we'll move this over. We're going to have to do a bit change twice just because of the type of cut we're doing.
That's fine.
Click that on there. Cool. Alright. Then this is going to tell the machine exactly where the piece is at. So when it makes contact, it'll say, alright, the bit touched here.
This is so insane.
Isn't that nuts?
Mm-hmm. This is definitely not like casual woodworker 101, that's for damn sure.
As I say, it's, we try to computerize everything that we can for accuracy. So another thing we could do better is if we had a planer to plane this board down, you know what I mean?
Right.
You also can actually plane it with the machine, but I haven't messed around a lot with that yet.
Let's do it. Cool. The board wasn't quite even, so this one is a little bit, this one was deeper, right? So yeah, the blade didn't touch. It could be reprogrammed, but we didn't bother. I just wanted to see how it's done. It's pretty cool. And then it auto lights.
Okay.
Yep.
Now should I pick it up and like spin it as I'm going? Because we're doing
I would walk around it.
Walk around it?
Yeah, that's usually
That way I don't burn myself?
Make it as dark or as light as you can.
What'd you say?
Make it as dark or as light as you want.
Alright, ready. Yeah, that does look much nicer.
Yeah, and the corners can be pretty dark, don't be shy.
Got one more spot, right?
Yeah. There, now we're cooking. Yeah, make it dark. Especially the corners, the more black they become, like the better it looks usually.
Like the more contrast too?
Uh-huh.
Alright.
It smells good.
Makes you hungry.
Yeah, I'll start my charcoal grill once I get back home. What are you doing now?
Putting basically a clear finish on it, which should highlight the burn, which you can see get a little darker. I wonder what it looks like when it dries though. Let's not put the gloves on though. I like using my fingers.
Oh yeah, yeah. For stuff like this, I do too. anytime I stain, that shit don't come off. That's why I don't like messing with oil-based paint or something like that.
There real quick.
So in the end, the CNC machine was mesmerizing to watch. It's a little too technical and detailed for me. I think Chase is more like techie, sciencey kind of guy, and for me, I just enjoy the cutting with the jigsaw myself rather than have the machine do it. Plus, also that machine is like $3,000 or something like that. Meanwhile, the jigsaw and projector, the whole setup can be had for a couple $100. And size, that one goes up only to 30 inches, which a lot of my projects begin at 30 inches. I like them, 3, 4 feet, sometimes up to 8 feet when I'm doing the large stuff, especially like the Batman one. So really cool process. I'm glad I was able to check it out and see for myself, because I was always curious how's the CNC compared, because it's one thing to do it on your own and keep cutting and cutting and cutting. Meanwhile, the machine just kind of does it for you. But by the time you calibrated, by the time you set everything up, by the time it's all done, for a lot of the projects I would have been cut already. Like the time savings isn't that much. Granted, my hand, I mean not this hand, the other one, doesn't hurt by the time I'm done with it, but it had some issues where like it would need to have a planer because it didn't quite cut through all the way. The lines were not quite connected at the end. So sorry, I got a weird text just coming on my phone. If it's a scam asking if I'm offering free training, and usually then after that it'll be somebody's daughter's being dropped off in a limo, and or their family or whatever, and they want to pay you cash, but you gotta give the money to them. They'll transfer your money, but you gotta give some money back to the driver, and then your check ends up bouncing or anything like that. If you're not in the personal training world or gym business, you might never see that, but it's the Nigerian Prince version for gym owners. But hopefully you enjoy that video of the CNC. I enjoyed tremendously just seeing that machine. We also, while it was going, we cut some other stuff with the jigsaw because I wanted to show Chase how I kind of do my thing. And let's see what else we're going to build. Thanks.